Hello there, and welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to force stop apps on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So we're going to head over to apps, and you may have an app that has an issue. The app has suddenly frozen, and you want to force stop the app so that you could restart it. It's a very important thing to do, and I'll show you where to get that functionality. So for instance, if you want to force start the Twitch app, you may come and click on the app. It's just going to launch the app, and the app will just open. But if you press and hold it on the app, you can move it, you can open, you can view details. But there's nothing here concerning force stop. Head over to quick settings. Go ahead and click on all settings, then navigate down to apps. Go to see all apps and select the app of choice. So the app is this that has an issue. Maybe it is Twitch. I'm just using Twitch as an example. So on Twitch, click on it, and then you find the force stop option. If you click on force stop, just like I've done now, this is going to ask you if you really want to force stop the app, because the app is open and running some processes. Those processes will stop. It may cause the app to misbehave, but you're trying to restart the app basically. So if you click on OK, the force stop button disappears, and the app has been force stopped. Now the app is stopped. If you want to reopen it, you can just click on open, and now launch the application. So if you found that useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video of content just like this.